Hello again! Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today, I did a character-inspired look. It's inspired by a few characters. Maleficent, Beetlejuice, and Beetlejuice. I got a new palette, I wanted to try it out, I wanted to do something fun. So if you'd like to know how I did this, stick around, find out. I show you how to in this exact video. Enjoy. It's hot. I tried to wait till nighttime so that it could cool off, and it's still hot. I got this new face primer because the one that I was using, I don't want to say it wasn't good, but it just like wasn't working for my skin. And like whenever I applied foundation, it wouldn't work for my skin. But anyway, I got this new primer by Milk, and I'm very curious to see how it works. I haven't used it yet, so let's see. Oh, there she goes. I'm gonna start with two. It feels so good. I'm just gonna do my eyebrows really quick because I have a feeling that this makeup is gonna take a while. Sir, he's so cute. We're doing another look that requires tape. This time it's not packing tape. Yup. I can figure this look out. I can figure it out. I got a new palette. It's this one. Hey look, there you are. So pretty. I've already swatched all of them and just pretended like I opened it for the first time. This is a very pigmented palette. So I'm dipping into Hazmat right here, this very pretty purple. And I'm gonna apply that in my crease area and blend that out as much as I can and have it not look awful. Just like that. As you may have assumed, the very next step is to cut the crease. We're off to a good start. Okay, so next I'm gonna dip into Meltdown. Next I want to take Arsenic, which is this very pretty blue color. Next I'm taking this very nice bright neon green right here, and we're gonna apply that right here. Now I'm just gonna go back with all the colors and kind of reapply them to try and blend them a little bit better. You know what? That's not bad. Time for the satisfying part. Wow. I'm so proud of myself. Okay, take a makeup wipe, clean it up. I really don't hate it. Like, I'm very happy with myself right now. Okay, let's move on to face. I am going to reapply just a little bit of primer where I just wiped off my makeup. Now let's go in and do our foundation and concealer and contour and highlight and all of that really quick. go in and kind of blend this out. I realized that I want it a little bit softer, and I'm also gonna add eyeshadow like underneath my eye to match it because this feels a little empty under here. Moving on to eyelashes.
That's what's on you.
I'm also going to add black to my waterline really quick. Oh! Now eyelashes. And I think that pretty much concludes today's look. I appreciate you so much for sticking around and watching this video. You don't know how much it means to me. It's a lot. It means a lot to me. But yeah, let me know what you'd like to see next. If you want to see character-inspired makeup, Halloween makeup. I know some of you said you wanted me to do clown makeup, and that is coming. If you would like to like this video, comment on it, and subscribe, I would appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.